Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your PS5 has the latest system software and that you've backed up any critical saves. Once done, verify the SSD spec. NVMe PCIe Gen 4 X4, supported length and thickness, and a compatible heatsink or low-profile cooler. Make sure you have a small Phillips screwdriver and a clean, static-free surface. Grounding yourself reduces risk. Now power off the console, unplug all cables, and remove the removable cover to access the M.2 expansion bay. That's your entry point. You'll now install the drive. Loosen the bay screw and remove the cover, then slide the M.2 into the slot at an angle until the gold contacts seat fully. Once seated, press the SSD flat against the standoff and secure it with the retaining screw. A snug fit prevents vibration. If your SSD requires a heatsink, install it now, making sure combined thickness stays within Sony's limit so the cover closes cleanly. Reattach the expansion bay cover and reconnect power and HDMI. You'll boot the PS5 and follow the console prompt to format the new M.2 as extended storage. Formatting is required for game installation. Once formatted, go to Settings Storage to move or install games to the new drive. You can bulk move titles to free space. For external USB drives, use them for PS4 games or extended media storage, not PS5 game installs. If the system fails to recognize the SSD, make sure specs match Sony's list, reseat the module, update firmware, or test a different compatible SSD.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.